Okay, so I want to go over some stuff that I'm doing here on Broken Tool Garage, some of the future things. So I'm ready to get Phoenix outside. So I'm going to pause on doing this roof. And I used that Rust-Oleum Ultra cover for a guide coat, but I think it might be a little too wimpy. So I'll come back with my Van Sickle stuff right there just to put a little tougher coating on it so I can sit outside. What I don't want to do is, since I took it down to metal, I don't want rust getting up underneath it. So I'm just going to pause on body work for a couple of reasons. I got other things to work on more important, like there's some stuff on Jim I want to get done over here. Jim's tagged insured daily driver, so he gets priority. That and my shoulders and wrist and back just don't want to block sand anymore. So to tidy this up, I'm putting one-piece headlights in, as I don't have headlights on the car. So I'll be going over that. There'll be content there. I have my tail lights that need to go in, so I'm going to show how to clean these up and assemble them. Which part of that is getting these buckets out, because that's just crappy looking right there. So I'll show how to remove the buckets, how to clean up the buckets. Get those looking pretty good, do a restoration on those. So that's another video content. And here's what I'm doing on Jim. I got the Trick Flow 2500-100 springs to put in Jim. So I'll show y'all how to do that. And I'm going to have one wheel peel. My clutches are out, so I'll be doing clutches in my 8.8 in Jim. So that's my two big ones I want to get done. So that's going to be about 4 videos for y'all coming out. So I just want to do a quick little update on future content. I know I kind of put some other stuff up, which, you know, that's kind of what I do. You know, I'll put a little everything up. But I just want to let y'all Fox Body guys know this is what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. And comment on any kind of content you want to see me coming out with.